Good morning, I'm Christy Duffy. Today is Wednesday, June 16th, and this is your morning commodities report. Oil is on the decline in early morning trade today as the dollar strengthened against major currencies, particularly the euro, making it more expensive for non-U.S. investors to shore up commodities. Market players will be looking at the release of key data later in the morning for clues on U.S. energy demand, including monthly industrial production and weekly crude inventories. Gold is up slightly this morning, and many analysts expect gold to remain on an upward trajectory, particularly amid rising concerns about debt levels in Portugal and Spain. As of early this morning, Brent crude is 1/3% weaker at $76.86 per barrel, while light sweet crude is down by 0.5%, $76.55 a barrel, and natural gas is down nearly 1% at $5.14 a million British thermal units. Gold is slightly up, gaining 0.1% to $1,235 even per ounce, while silver is down by 1/3% at $18.53 an ounce, and copper is 0.5% lower at $2.99 a pound. BP came under fire last night from President Barack Obama as the president said in his national address about the Gulf of Mexico oil spill disaster that the company will have to pay for its recklessness. Obama will be meeting with BP's chairman, arl-Henric at the White House later in the day today to discuss the company's responsibilities for the worst U.S. environmental disaster in history. The government has raised the leak rate to 60,000 barrels a day. That's up from 35,000 barrels, more than doubling. Meanwhile, a worker at BP's Rotterdam refinery was killed after a wall collapsed on him. And as for Cairn Energy, the Scottish group that said it received approval from the government of Greenland for 2 wells in the Disco West area. The company has plans for 4 well exploration programs off the west coast of Greenland. Many environmentalists have, however, called upon the government to put many drilling plans on hold in unexplored areas. On the mining front, Australia's Resources Minister Martin Ferguson said that the nation's resource tax rate will be 40% for all commodities from next year. Meanwhile, BHP Billiton, Rio Tinto, and Xstrata said that the government has shown no signs of compromising on the proposed tax plan despite considerable opposition from corporations that will be hard hit by the planned tax hike. I'm Christy Duffy for Smart Trend News. To receive this commodities report every morning, please subscribe to our YouTube channel. That's Trade the Trend. You can also find more on these headlines, more news, more market analysis by checking out our website, and that's tradethetrend.com.